Hi everybody. Welcome to our channel Stats Magic. Now we are intensely focusing and dealing net exam and net JRF focus. So I would like you to, I would like to give clarity on few aspects uh, about how I am going to deal and what I am going to do, because it is important for me also. Because if I make a video on this is saying about what I do, so it will be useful for me to watch it my own video and to maintain that clarity. Okay, this is what I wanted to what I wanted to do and what was going wrong or right. I can assess myself. Okay, that's why I'm making this video. That is one thing, and you will also get clarity about our channel and this JRF preparation and exam related things you will be knowing. One thing is, as you know, I have started a JRF focus group also, where I am in the process of preparing premium content. Okay, I'm in the process of making premium videos and premium content, video formats and text formats also, like PDF formats. We'll be sharing some PDF files and all. Will be sharing to the paid members, premium members. And the channel content, it will continue like as usual. For example, teaching aptitude, I have covered few aspects of teaching aptitude, like few contents we have dealt in paper 1 unit 1 teaching aptitude, like three lessons, like three videos are completed, so it's like lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, so three lessons are completed. Three lessons were completed, and I will be continuing that. I'll be continuing that as usual. Then we will be moving to next units also, next research aptitude and other communication comprehension and reasoning, logical reasoning and all. So those things will be continued in this channel itself. I will be making those videos, and along with few short videos also. Few short videos also will be made, telling exam related important points, and also some content related which can be shared as a short that can be done. That is one thing. So channel will continue as usual, because channel growth is important for me, so it will be having quality content. And the premium also I'm anyway making. I need to focus more on that, what that extra edge I need to provide for the JRF aspirants. So this premium content is mainly for JRF focus, JRF aspirants. Okay. uh, so mainly for it is JRF aspirants, I will be providing the premium content. That is also in the process. Those things also will be updated in the post, in our community posts also, in the channel posts also I will be updating. And then those who have joined the group also, check the link I'm giving in each and every link, or you can message me to my number. uh, I'm a JRF aspirant. Please send me the uh, WhatsApp group link, WhatsApp community link, so that I will provide the link also. Because what's happening is, here what I'm here the links I'm providing in the description. Sometimes they are unclickable. Like you cannot click and go. Sometimes you can click and go, but now you cannot click it and go. Sometimes I'm seeing that. Again, you have to copy that or something. You have to do that. So you can do, if anyway I'm giving the link, you can join the link. Otherwise, you can message me. I'm giving the number also. Okay, I'm giving the number also, so you can just WhatsApp me. So I watched your channel, and I want the link for the NetJRF community WhatsApp group or community. You can message like that. Just message one line or two lines. I will be sending you the link in the WhatsApp group. I mean, in the WhatsApp itself. After your message, responding with the link, and you can join it. So that is one thing. That is one thing. So this is the main thing I wanted to uh, give you clarity, and also bring clarity for myself also. Okay, what's happening is, when I started this group community, it automatically came, one is one announcement group, and one what to say, one is like a group, that JRF focus group is there. So two are there. Then for premium members, again I created one group, that which is hidden group. Actually, hidden group is that is not visible, only for the paid members. I will be sharing that, and you can join that, or I can directly add them also. Okay, either ways, either they join from the link, or I will be personally adding them with their number, with their provided number. I will be adding them. So that is like premium. So what I felt was, anyway, there was no discussion, or I told the members to introduce whoever joined to introduce in the group, but they did not introduce. So I asked at least introduce personally when I sent them message personally. So some responded. So my name is this and I'm so and so I'm from so and so college or university. Some people responded like that. Then I felt and I also felt whatever I'm sharing in the group, again I'm copying in, putting it in the announcement also actually. Because the problem is in announcements, even the people who will join later also will see the earlier posts, and that is important for me. I want them to see my earlier posts also. I cannot post again and again. If you post again and again, the persons who are already joined, the old members who are already there, why is he sharing always like that, they may feel. That is the thing. That's why what I did was only announcements, announcement group was I'm continuing. Other group I deleted that, I removed that. But premium members group will be there, that is separate for the paid members only. In this announcements group, all the updates I will be sharing, so you can follow that. So that I mean, as I said, the link is given, and you can also message me the link, so you can join there. Okay, that is one thing. So premium content is on the way, and I will be updating in the shorts also. I will make it. So mainly in the channel posts and in the WhatsApp community updates and in the shorts also. Sometimes I will be making like updating. Okay, this is the premium. These are the premium content I made. These are the topics, or these are the premium contents I made, and whoever interested can join. And definitely payment details also. I made a separate video also about half an hour, about some 28 or 26 minutes. I have made that video, the recent video. You can check that also in our channel. So payment details and how we proceed about this NetJRF premium content for premium members, that is already shared. And channel will continue as it is. As it is in channel also, I will be providing the quality content. So please make use of it. So what I decided now is like main thing what I decided is I just have to keep working. So whatever I decided, whatever I said now in this video on this channel content and also this premium content, I'm just already started. I'm just going to work on that, work on the premium content and channel content anyway, working on uploading continuously the channel content, and premium content also will be shared. So premium content anyway that paid members will be getting it. So again, I won't be talking again and again about that. Only thing is I'll update it whenever something is ready. Update it, because I have to tell, because who are coming newly to this channel and watching my videos, so they should also know. So sometimes I need to update. Okay, there is something called as premium content also for JRF focused persons. So he's providing that. They should know at least. So few members may join who are interested, who want to take that extra edge also can join us. Who want to leave no room left for their preparation, to grasp everything and go with full confidence and full preparation for the exam. So those persons, those few candidates may join the group. Okay, because some may be taking some other courses, some other paid courses, some other courses they may be taking. So it is difficult for them to pay for various courses also. That is one thing. And for some persons, they want to prepare on their own, especially if they are disciplined enough, if they are motivated enough, inspired enough, if they can manage that, if they are not distracting too much. I mean, if they are able to keep focus without any distractions, those kind of persons want to prepare on their own and they can go on, not a problem. So, but those few who want that little help, little extra to put to, I mean, to hold their hand to some extent and take them forward. So if they want to take that and some extra edge, if they want to take that over others in this NetJRF preparation, to maintain that discipline and to maintain that motivation, inspiration also. Because I will be sometimes along with the content, I will be sometimes providing some motivation, inspiration also, because to keep them on the track. Because these days there are various distractions and various things that are keeping you or moving you off the track. So in order to put you on the track, on the preparation, I will be doing my best uh, to motivate you, inspire you, and to suggest what else to do other than your preparation, in order to in order for you to stay on your preparation. What are the other things you have to take care of? Those that thing I will be telling, and that will be like a in a deeper way. That is also in a deeper way, not just simply suggesting, and that is also in deeper way with logics and backed by science, brain science, backed by brain science. I will be sharing those things also, so that you will understand. So okay, this is what is happening. This is what exactly is happening for me, not to stay on the track. So what else to do? Even then also one should act, but more clarity will be there. So that is the thing I want to tell. So please make use of the channel content. Please do subscribe and try sharing, and I will know that through your comments and feedback only, the how my videos are resonating with you, how you are feeling about my videos, these kinds of videos, update videos, motivation, I mean inspiration or motivation videos, and like exam strategies, and also directly content videos also, like teaching aptitude we have started content videos also. So you have to tell me how we should go further, how you want to go, like that. So how you want me to make videos, what kind of videos you want to make, and what are the contents or chapters you need, which you are finding tough, so that I can explain. You can comment, like, because if many members comment like that, so I can say okay, many members are commenting on this topic, so let me make a video on this topic, or let me make a few shots on this content on these topics, like that, or long videos on that contents, like that. So I'll also know, I'll be doing. So along with systematically making unit by unit also, this kind of shorts, sometimes videos also I will be making. So it is important for me to have your feedback, to get your comments, and please like the videos also. So for the channel to reach, for the reach new people and get engagement, it is important that you comment, that you like. Yeah, that is the only engagement, and that is the only thing I need from you. Okay, so please do that, and please share with your friends also. Please share with your friends. If you are a PG student or faculty, so many are aspiring for this net, many are writing, so it may help for them also. See, one thing is that actually we should not think like if we share, they will get use of it and they may get qualify before me, something like that. So these kind of silly things, you don't keep it in your mind, because they only pull you backward, not push you forward. This kind of mentalities, this kind of mentalities only pull you backwards, never push you forward. But if you help others, share to others also, with a good intention, with a helping intention, then that itself will push you forward. So don't think like this. So if I share to others, they may, I mean, I'm not saying about my channel. If anything, not just sharing this channel, anything, whatever it is, while you are writing the exam, let us say some this is anyway competitive exam in computer based, but while you are writing some descriptive exams in SSC, intermediate degree, these descriptive exams, while you are in the exam hall, you should not show to others. You should not copy from others, and you should not show to others also. You should make sure that others are not copying from you as much as possible. Even if they are seeing and writing something, that is okay, that's fine, but you are not showing them directly. There you should be strict, not before the exam. Before the exam, you should help. You should if any of your friends are weak in that something, if they ask you, you should explain them clearly. You should help them clearly. By that, with that, you will also grow, and it will be add on to you. Whatever you share and help with good intention, and the help you do, that will be an add on to you. That will be an add on to you, and the universe will be listening everything. Universe is listening everything, or universe listens everything. It notes everything. Universe notes everything. So what you are doing, like that. In the exam, you don't show. In the exam, you just write your exam. You just focus your exam. You don't copy, and let others don't copy from you in the exam. But before the exam and after the exam, you can help. You can help. You should help. You must help. That will be an add-on to you. So please have this mentality. Okay, that's how I came. That's how I was. That's how I am now also. Okay, that's why I qualified for JRF also. I didn't expect that I'll be qualified for JRF. I was surprised. because I don't know. Like I have did well when I was in the exam. I remember till now that was the we say no, be in the present, be in the present, be in the present. When I wrote my net exam, when I attempted my net exam, I was completely in the present that time. That present, I was completely in the present moment, in that exam moment only, just going through that. Of course everybody is like that while in the exam focusing on the exam only, but I still remember that I was completely in the exam starting to ending. Just what is the question, what is the answer, question answer, question answer, like that I was completely in the present. Other times we may not be completely in the present. Other times while I'm making these videos, I'm completely in the present. Yes. Yeah. So like that, when you are in the exam, be fully present, attending to the exam. But before and after, try to help others. Try to help others. It is not that leaving away your work, your productivity, and going out, and it's not like that. Whenever someone asks something to share, little thing, little help, you can do that, no problem. That will be an add-on to you. Please understand this very carefully, because you may be having these silly thoughts or silly ideas of not sharing, not helping, so that they will benefit and they go forward before me. If they go forward before you also, don't care, but help. That is important. That's how I am, and that's why I'm sharing, and that's what I'm telling. So anyway, thank you.